Hello my friend, are you new to IGTV? If so, then in this video I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to get started using the IGTV app. So stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around my friend. Really appreciate that. If you're an active subscriber, I want to say welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate you taking the time to stop by and watching this video. So listen, if you're a network marketer or maybe a local biz owner and you're looking for more tips, tools, and training to leverage the power of social media to grow your business, then you're in the right place. And so you're just going to want to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click on that bell notification right there. And that way you're going to get notified each time I put out a new video that's going to help you to grow your networking business through social media. Also, if you're looking to create a passive income online and you want to be able to make money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're hanging out with your friends, then make sure that you click the link below in this description, and that's going to show you how you can get started with my favorite online passive income making machine. So go ahead and click that description down there if you want to get started in that. So let's go ahead and jump in to our content for today. As most of you know, Instagram has just released their new video platform, IGTV. Okay, and there's a few things that you need to know in order to get set up and get started uploading your videos right away for this. And I'm going to show you in this video a step-by-step process how you can actually do that. You know, IGTV is going to give creators the ability to create and upload content to this platform, grow their accounts, establish their brands, and build their businesses, which is an awesome opportunity for those of you that are just jumping into Instagram and looking to start building a business on that particular social media platform. And if you didn't already know this, Instagram is on fire right now, and there's never been a better time to jump into this particular platform than there is right now to start leveraging the power of Instagram's 1 billion monthly active users. Imagine what that can do for your business. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I've got a special gift for you that's going to help you to grow your Instagram account and help you start generating leads online ASAP. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm going to go ahead and pop up the IGTV app on the screen right here and walk you through how you can actually get set up and start uploading your videos right away. So the first thing that you want to do is to launch the IGTV Mobile App. You can do that by tapping on the IGTV button just at the top right of the Instagram feed page. This will open up your IGTV Mobile App, and it's going to allow you to be able to go into IGTV and see all of those people that are following you that have created their IGTV channels. It is in here that you can also see that Instagram has also picked out some channels that they think you would like based on the profiles that you have been looking at. So they're going to go ahead and pick those out for you and put them in there based on the people that you've been watching on Instagram. Well, one of the other tabs is going to show you all of the popular IGTV channels and videos that are out there right now. These are being put out there by the different creators. Again, probably a lot of these that you're going to see are those that you've just come across in your feeds, and a lot of these are going to be those that are actually producing quality content, some of those bigger names that are going to be the popular ones that are out there. Now listen, you can actually get out there as well as you start on this new platform creating content and start putting your face out in that popular feed as well. Another cool feature about the IGTV app is that it keeps track of all the videos that you have watched. And if there are any videos that you didn't finish, it'll actually bring those videos up and allow you to go back and finish those videos out if that's what you choose to do. One of the biggest differences with IGTV from other platforms is that they have all their videos in a vertical format. Okay, now for some of us it's going to take a little while for us to get used to this, but there are others that have actually embraced this and they're out there creating content. They're already sold on the vertical videos and they're cranking out content like crazy. So there's a lot of content being put on the new IGTV channels that are being established right now. Now these videos are best created in a 9:16 aspect ratio, which is basically a 1080 by 1920 instead of the other way around, which is the full HD. So what that means, if you're shooting your videos with a DSLR camera, then you're going to actually have to turn the camera on its side and shoot in the vertical format. So most likely most people are going to be actually creating their content on their phones using that vertical format. Now to set up your IGTV channel, all you need to do is go into the settings where the gear icon is, and in there you can make some adjustments. It's pretty straightforward from there. That'll get you set up and started to open up the IGTV platform, which you can actually begin to upload your videos on. And so the big question that most people have right now is, how do you upload your videos to the IGTV channel? So unlike regular Instagram videos, you can't record the IGTV videos on your IGTV app. And so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to actually record those either on your phone or on a camera. Now if you're recording those on your camera, you're going to have to find some way to be able to edit those and then to be able to get them onto your phone, so you can use something like AirDrop or Google Drive or Dropbox to get them over on your phone. But once they're on your phone, then you can upload them to the app. So once you have those videos on your phone, go into your IGTV app, tap on your profile image, the little round circle right there, then tap on the little plus sign, right, which is going to give you the option to upload a video file directly from your phone. Choose your video from the gallery, upload it, and you are good to go. Click the next button and then add your title to your video, and then let everybody know what your video is about by adding a description. Now, one of the great features with the IGTV is that you can actually add a link in your description that can link out to your website, to your YouTube channel, or wherever else you might be marketing yourself on social media. So that's one of the great features there. So just think about it, with all the content strategies that you can create, that you can use to build your brand and grow your business, especially with 1 billion active monthly subscribers to market to. It's a great opportunity. And now, speaking about links, if you want to find out how you can add multiple links to other areas of your Instagram profile and bio page, then I've also created another video, and I'll put that in the cards above, and you can go there and check that video out as well, and you can find out how you can add multiple links to your Instagram bio and to your highlights and some other things that are on there as well. So go check that video out. Next, you have the option to edit your channel image. Now this is a lot like a thumbnail on YouTube, and it's really the first impressions that people are going to see as they scroll through your IGTV channel. So you want to be real creative, and you want to make those things stand out to catch your audience's attention and make them stop and watch your video. Now you can choose between an image that you upload to do that, or you can actually choose a screen capture from the video that you just uploaded as well. So you have the choice to do either one of those. Now once you complete your cover image, your title and description, then you're ready to post on your IGTV channel. That's exciting. One of the other cool features of the IGTV channel is the analytics, which will allow you to see how many views, comments, likes that you have received on each of your videos. And another important metric is that you're going to be able to see your audience retention, how long people are actually watching your video for. That's going to help you out a ton to know what you can actually do to get people to stay on your videos just a little bit longer. So you can also share these videos with others, as well as invite others to share your videos with their friends. So another cool feature that's inside of the analytics part of this program right here. Okay, well that's it, my friend. It's a simple step-by-step process in order to get started using your IGTV app and starting to upload your first videos and making and creating that awesome content that's going to keep your audience coming back. Okay, so it's time to get the creative juices flowing and start creating content. Remember, 1 billion monthly active subscribers or users using Instagram. The IGTV app is going to be powerful to be able to reach those people and to give them the ability to access your content from their phones, which is on their person most of their waking hours. So just a great opportunity to be able to market, to build your brand, to grow your business on IGTV. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I've got a special bonus gift for you. Now, I've recently passed 36,000 followers on my Instagram accounts. Each of those accounts has over 10,000 followers on it, and I've just updated my guide on how to get your first 10,000 followers on Instagram. The tools, the tips, the tricks that I'm using to grow my accounts. These are things that I'm actually doing. If you'd like to get your hands on that guide, I have several people that I'm working with and helping them to grow their accounts as well. So if you want to get your hands on that guide and you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and click in the description below. There's a link in there to grab that book. And if you're watching this on Facebook, you got to leave me a comment in the post or below the post here and let me know you want that guide, and I will shoot that over to you in a DM. So I hope you like this step-by-step tutorial on how to get started on IGTV and how to start creating and uploading your awesome content to this new IGTV platform. So make sure you grab that guide below, and it's not only going to show you how you can start growing your Instagram account, but it's also going to show you how you can start generating leads and start creating that passive income using Instagram online. And if you like this video and you got some value from it, do me a big favor and give me a big thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can do it by clicking on that button right there. And if you got a few minutes and want to check out another video, you can watch this one right here. And also, I just want to say thank you again for watching this video. I really appreciate you, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Have a great day and take care. Bye now.